What if I told you our entire solar system is basically the leftovers of a star's birth, but that's the core idea. A star forms from a collapsing cloud of gas and dust, and the excess spins out into a flat disk. In that rotating dusty pancake, tiny grains bump, stick, and grow. Pebbles, boulders, baby planets. Gravity does the rest. Here's the aha. The same physics that makes water swirl down a drain organizes whole worlds. Angular momentum flattens the disk. Collisions heat things up. Close to the sun, only rock and metal survive the furnace. Farther out, ices can form. Water, methane, ammonia. That invisible frost line sets the menu for planets. So how many planets did we end up with? 8. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. I love Pluto. Still a world, just not a planet by the scientific checklist. It orbits the sun. It's round, but it hasn't cleared its neighborhood. That puts it in the dwarf planet club. Ceres, Eris, Haumea, Makemake. The inner four are small, rocky, and dense, terrestrial planets. They're built from the heat-tolerant materials that couldn't vaporize near the newborn sun. The outer four are giants. Jupiter and Saturn grabbed so much gas early on, they became massive hydrogen-helium spheres. Uranus and Neptune formed farther out where ices like water, methane, and ammonia were abundant. So we call them ice giants. Why do planets stay in place and not fall into the sun? They are falling sideways. Each one is in free fall, constantly missing the sun because its sideways speed bends its path into an orbit. Gravity sets the curve. Velocity keeps the dance. Orbits aren't perfect circles either. They're ellipses. Planets swap momentum when they tug on each other and sometimes lock into resonances, 2 to 1, 3 to 2, that keep things stable. That's why we see gaps in rings and belts. Gravity sculpts. Zoom out and there's more structure: asteroid belt, Kuiper belt, and the distant Oort cloud, an icy shell of comets that may rain visitors into the inner system from time to time. Some models say the giants migrated, rearranging everything, flinging debris, feeding the asteroid belt, maybe even delivering water to Earth. And beyond us? We've found thousands of exoplanets, hot Jupiters, super-Earths. That tells me planetary systems are common, but everyone is a remix of the same physics: disks, dust, gravity, time. So the big question to aha, how does a planet system work? It's cosmic choreography, formed in a spinning disk, sorted by heat and ice, shaped by gravity, and stabilized by rhythm. And how many planets do we have? 8. But the universe?